ladies, I would like to share with you the results of the survey for our Klara's Eye Contour Cream. 15 questions, 20 testers asked. About the cream's texture, 75% of the testers were completely satisfied or even more. The cream smell, only 50% of the testers liked the smell of the cream, 10% didn't like at all, and 5% also just about to copy that. The moisturizing effect was quite significant. 95% of the testers observed improvement. The all-important fine lines, wrinkles, 15% of the testers had no wrinkles at all, but 25% did not observe any improvements, and 60% observed slight or significant improvement. The conclusion is that we are all individuals. Our skin is different. Short observation time was wide range of age and skin type was used in the survey, and it is very hard to get objective conclusions. And our aim is not a fast cosmetic improvements, but long-lasting effects, restoring healthy and younger looking skin and slowing down the aging process. Thank you very much for everybody who took part in the trial and completed the survey.